We didn't take the approach of big government, taking away someone's chunky monkey ice cream or toys at a fast food or a large gulp. Well, we don't think it's necessarily the size of the drink, but what's in the drink. I think I applaud any community looking at what might work for their respective jurisdiction. We didn't take the approach of big government, taking away someone's chunky monkey ice cream, fast food or a large gulp. But we thought providing people with healthier choices, providing the education, helping people take accountability, and arming them with as much knowledge and then healthier options, we thought was a better approach. And that is the path we've taken, and thus far has worked well for us, at least here in San Diego.